Basic principles of GMP. Today we discuss about equipment related to GMP. To review the requirements for equipment: 1. Selection, 2. Design, 3. Use, 4. Maintenance. To discuss problems related to issues around selected items of equipment. Principle: equipment must be located, designed, constructed, adapted, maintained. What does location, design, construction, adaptation, maintenance, cleaning, calibration mean in practice? Principles: equipment layout and design must aim to minimize risks of error, to permit effective cleaning and maintenance, to avoid cross-contamination, dust and dirt build-up, any adverse effect on the quality of product. Equipment must be installed to minimize risks of error, minimize risks of contamination. Pipes: fixed pipe work, clearly labeled, indicate contents and direction of flow. Service pipings and devices, adequately marked, non-interchangeable connections or adapters for dangerous gases and liquids. Contents and direction of flow indicated, for example, water lines, equipment components, air handling systems, balances and measuring equipment. Appropriate range and precision available, in production and quality control, calibrated, scheduled basis, checks, records maintained. Production equipment, appropriate design, easily and thoroughly cleaned on a scheduled basis. Procedures and records, no hazard to the products. Contact parts of suitable non-reactive materials, non-additive and not absorptive. Production equipment, closed equipment used when possible, open equipment, or when equipment opened, precautions taken to prevent contamination. Non-dedicated equipment cleaned according to validated cleaning procedures between different products. Current drawings of critical equipment and support systems maintained. Current drawings of critical equipment, verify against qualification protocol and report, as well as supplier's manual. Check if in accordance with drawing, or changes, change control, verify critical components installed, e.g. filters, control and monitoring devices. What are the questions you can ask about this piece of equipment? And for this one, what do these labels indicate for this piece of equipment? Do you notice any GMP non-compliances here? Comment please. What are some of the key questions you can ask about the blender? Transfer of material to the compression machine through a closed system is preferred to prevent possible contamination. It also helps to contain dust. Remember to look at punches and dies. Are there specifications for these? How are they cleaned, stored, issued for use and returned to storage? Are they in a good condition and checked at regular intervals? Coating of tablets. Is qualification of a coating machine necessary? If so, what has to be done? What about maintenance and cleaning validation? Don't forget the packaging lines, quality control equipment and instruments suitable for the tests to be performed. Defective equipment in production and quality control should be removed or labeled to prevent use. Washing, cleaning, and drying. Equipment used for washing and drying, not the source of contamination. Equipment design should promote easy cleaning. Cleaning on scheduled basis, procedures, and records. Washing and cleaning, manual, automated, clean in place, CIP, steam in place, SIP. Group session, for the given type of equipment. What would your concerns be in relation to the manufacture of products? When inspecting this particular piece of equipment, what are the signs of poor practice in cleaning, operation, and maintenance? Possible issues: poor design, lack of safety, poor quality finishes, lack of cleaning, lack of maintenance, no usage log or record, use of inappropriate weighing equipment, open plan location of compressing machines.